the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Oh, pero mas masaya magmula nang makita ka. Wala nang pangamba pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you. Parang islang pagtropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pagtropiko. Sa islang pagtropiko. Sa islang pagtropiko. Island sitting on the white sand. Just if I'm in love with you. 'Cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy. You could be my baby, I could be a lady. Oh, oh, oh. Di mo mawala siya ng kilig, nag-ready yan. Kasi para bang di na makikilin. Makabog, huminto, gumugulo ang puso ko sa'yo. Following your footprints in the sand, walking with you in the sand. Got minsan inamin. Di man ang patuloy ng pag-amor. Sa'yo pa nagsabi na kailangan mong unahin. Di naman ito karena pagmamahal sa bawat panibago. Kumbaga ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di kalaya. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di
Slowly. And other side. Boy pa. And last one. Next step. Let's go. Can we do it faster? 6, 7, okay. This time, do not involve this part, only the head. Oh, not like a chicken, okay? Alright, let's try. And 5, 6, 5. Then, this time, let's go. 9. Ready? Let's do it faster. Imagine your chin growing. Ready? Next. Shoulders. 5, 6, reverse. Ito, let's go.
Pag-ibig mo naman ang usap-usapan sa paligid ko.
5, 6, 7,
Ngunit kung nais mong malaman, yan ako ang reklamo. At ang katotohanan ay di ko pigilang magpangiti na lang ito.
Good job. Next, arm circles to left.
Pag-ibig, sigurado nang hindi
Same.
mapapalagangin kung saan mapalayo sa
To the back, 8 times, and then to the front. Ready, and 5.
Sa mga pagtatapa, sa mga umakiya, ngunit pa man iisipin ka, di ko na laging mapag-isama. Lagi na umaawit, maawit mula kusina hanggang sa
Only the chest. Now take a look first. Okay, imagine someone is pulling your chest forward. Okay, take a look. Wider. So that you have balance. If you're like this, you will fall forward. Okay? Take a look. 1, 2. Relax. Let's put it all together. Take a look. Check, tap, tap, to the side, to the back, to the side. Okay? Already, and 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and front.
Sa'yo lang naramdaman ang di ko naman hinahanap. Oh, ikaw pala ang araw sa ng ulan.
Reverse. Forward muna. And to the left. To the back. To the side. Front. Front. And left. And back. And side. Okay. Let's repeat.
Mahal kita mula umaga, mukhang malala
And slowly. Take a look at my knees. Not turn in, turn out. Okay? So not like this, ha? So this one, pointing outward. So again, the inhale, and then squat, exhale, and then grab, stretch. Up, not like this one, but this one. Good. And other side. Nice one. Okay, next, let's go. Touch. Take your pose. Again, other side.
Pero teka lang, parang napagdaanan ko na ito na pamahal agad-agad at nabigo, pero di makahinto. Nahuhulog ang loob, natututo sa noon, sa nakaraan, nalimutan lahat sa'yo, pagdating sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung sadyang may malas lang ako. Lahat ng nabubuong pag-asa.
Parang butterfly yung next natin. Okay? So from here, so if you're not too flexible, okay lang kahit hindi hawakan dito. Right? But if you can grab your toes. count 10. 1, 2, 5, 6. Don't push yourself. 9, and slowly up. This time stretch. Stretch the other one. Okay. Same thing. If you cannot reach your toes, it's okay. Pwedeng malapit lang. But if you want, if you can, please, let's go. Indian sit. Okay? Next. Using your hands, you aim the front. Alright? So parang magiging position natin na ganito. Take a look first. One minute, quick water, sip lang. Water. Wait up. Shoulders up. Okay, and then down. Here. And step 1. Step 2, elbows up. And then down. What's the first one? Shoulders up. Next one. Tap and wrist. Tap, tap, tap. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Oh, guys, oh, tingnan niyo yung yung shape, parang naka yung chicken. Elbows, ha? Not like this, elbows. And then next, wrist. And then from here, mag-wipe down lang yung 5, 6, 7, and shoulder, elbows, wrist, wipe down 6, one more time, shoulder, and elbow, and wrist, and down. Now this time, let's do it continuously. Here we go. Take a look. Hindi na siya pam, 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 pam. Okay? But continuous. But starting from the shoulders first. 5, 6, 7. 4. Now, this time, can we try just the right shoulder, right arm? Clear? So, ready. And right only hand, not both arms. 5, 6, 7, and right. And only the right arm and down. Right shoulder, elbow, and wrist. And now left side and left. And elbow and wrist. Where's your left arm and left and elbow and wrist? And 5, 6, faster. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Left side, and starting from the shoulder, 2, and 3, and 4. Got it? Sige. Later, gagamitin natin yung movement as we create the dance. Alright? So, everyone, go back to your line. Let's go. Sige po.
As you come, wider, okay, we stretch your arms, do the rest, and then from here, go to the and 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2. Alright? Now from here, I'll apply the step and then I will step forward, and step forward. Okay, here we go, right? Take a look at my foot. Your heel on the yeah. Watch that. From here, right, and left. Okay. You want to use your hip. Okay. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Right? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Here. Next. Okay, next can we go? Step backward. Step all right. Okay, left foot backward. Now from here, relax the arms. Go. Arms forward. And then push. Down. One more time. Arms forward. Push. Down. Take a look. And then backward. Okay? One more time. 5, 6. And we go. Arms. Now as you push, move your upper body backward. Here. Let's go. Okay, come. Now when I say power sign, please from the beginning. Okay? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2. Correct. Next step. Here, then what's next? Good. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2. Here. Then can we go down, up, down, and hey. Over time. Down, go hands, down, and hey. This is your audience. Okay? Here. One more time. 5, 6. And slowly. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2. Step, and step. And next. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay. This one is both hands. Okay? Let's go.
In 5, 6, 5, 6, tararara, taratatata, taratata, ha, and pam, pam. Alright? Continue. Add more. Okay. Simple, right? Okay, simple.
From here, can we go? Can we go from here and wait? Sorry. Slice. So, from here, slice that side. Slice. Go. Other side. backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many steps backward? One more time. And from here, can we go? Everyone up. As you walk backward, 1, 2, 3, 4. Set it like this. Okay. Upper body backward. Hindi again. Line up forward. Bam, 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 bam. Alright? If you want, then release. That's not your balance. Yes. In here, we have a level. Ready? Go, bring from the top. Yes. And follow. Good. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2. Step, and step, and push, and down, slice. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Next from here. Head down. And swing. Next, take a look, ha? 1, 2, 4. Continue go. And forward. Next, step right foot forward. You remember the way from here. Take a look. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. Then, again, take a look at that picture mo doon. Walk, 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 snake. 1, 2, and step, wait. Okay? Yes.
Easy. Okay, let us review before we do it with music. And... Alala pa? Yes. Too early pa, not yet evening. Okay, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and step. Oh, sorry, one more time. Okay, ready? 5, and 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and step, backward, and push, and down, and hand, slice, and slice, backward, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and snake, and step. Got it? Clear? Let's do it with music. Let's go. Okay, sige. While waiting for the exam part, let's just follow first the beat. Boom. It's very slow. Boom. Boom. That's slow. Ha? Take a look muna na gawin yung teacher ko. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, step, and boom. Hop, and bum. Slice, pop, slice, pop. Ready? Now, ready. And 5, 6, 7, and boom. Hop, step, upward, and down, slice, upward. 1, 2, 3, and snake. Ready? Clear? Yes? So let's do it one more time and then I'll add more, okay? There you go. Listen.
Nakatawing na naman ang iyong mga mata. May bahaging pero parang ngayong bahalata. Sinaktan ka na naman wala, bakit di ka pa nadadala? Ang tulad mo ay tibong hindi basta pinabaliwala.
is, who among you here has TikTok? What's your favorite step? TikTok dance. Can you give me one dance? What's your favorite step? Ay, sige. Sino may TikTok? What's your favorite step? Bini, like what step? Oh, sige, no, let's continue from here. Let's go.
Alright, from here, wait. Okay. Now, can you go from this one? Close this. Close this. Then can you go? Remember your shoulders down. Right? Oh, just the shoulder now, not the elbow. Pump, pump. Left. Right up. Left up. Okay. Kapag nag-left na yung right, hindi siya mababa after. Left. Ha, ha. Okay na. Wait. Ha. Boom, boom. Close. Okay? Okay. Next one. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom. Ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom. Ha.
Can you also, copy yung beat? Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, ha. Ready? Copy. Together with Teacher Buboy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, ha. This is the boom, boom.
Boom, boom. And then, ha.
Ready? Try. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1.
4. Boom, boom.
Yung close is left foot forward, not backward, okay? So this one more time. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, ha. 5, 6, 7, and 1.
Boom, boom. Ha. What is that one? Now, and here.
Clear? Body forward, not backward. Okay. Again, ha?
1, 2, 3, 4. Up, up, forward.
Oh, pag difficult pa din, take a look. Pag difficult, jump nyo lang.
Okay.
Oh, pag nahihirapan, jump. Alright, clear? Okay, next.
1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom. Ha.
This time, very simple like movement. Like a pause. Knee.
1, 2.
Okay. Take a look. My body is favoring this side. So left. Knee. Knee. And face. Knee. Knee. Got it? Oops. It's not like this one. Knees forward. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Knees. 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 Okay, take a look. Can you make this quieter? Take a look, ha? Not like that, not too much energy. And 5, 6, 7, and knees. Knees. Ha! Knees. Knees. Dagdagan natin, simpler lang. Balik ulit sa knees, but we will add hands.
Knees, knees. And from here, can we go? And
Okay. Stretch the right arm. And then
this one
like looking up from up.
Alright.
Take a look, ha?
5, 6, 7, 8. Knees. 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 Knees and knees. Knees and knees. Here. Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom. Cut. And go. And go. And go. And go. That's right. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom. Cut. 1. Quiet. And hands. And look. Here. Yeah. From the top. And you.
From the beginning. 5, 6, 5, 6, and tara, tara. And step, pump. And go backward. And down, slice. Slice. Walk backward. 1, 2, snake. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, ha. And boom. Knees. Hands. Look. Got it? Oh, grabe ka matapos.
Can we go?
After this one, pam, pam, and then can we go,
Step right. Grab the phone. Touch. Right. Then from here, bring your knee, left knee in. Sit down. Your palm out to the floor. Okay? Right knee, left knee in. This one. Right. Come on. From here. Once when I step forward, is your right foot. And right foot. Yes. And from here, bring your left knee in. Got it? And next. Yes. Elbows resting on top of your knee. And chin down, relax. Okay? Sit up. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, and 1, and 2, 3, and hands, look, stand forward, 1, 6, 7, 8, and from here, forehead, that's it, and 8, okay, from here, look, again, boom, and keep it.
let's do it with music 3 times. Ready?
Nakataring naman iyong mga mata. May bahaging para parang mayroong bahalata. Sinatang ka na naman na, bakit di ka pa nagdadala? Ang tulad mo ay tipong hindi basta pinabaliwala. Pero
Di na batid ang kanyang sinasayan Habang ako dito'y naghihintay lamang Kaya naman naiinang tagahamang nasa gigitan Pangakali ako nahihibang Ikaw ang aking nag-iisa
marami, maaari mo mapagbigyan. Kung sakali, pag-ibig mo ay magkantay. Kakamilay, ako na nilalakan. Sumusumpang di bata, ako ay di magsasawa. Marami, maaari mo mapagbigyan. Kung sakali, pag-ibig mo ay magkantay. Kakamilay, ako na iyong lakan. Sumusumpang di bata, ako ay di magsasawa. Marami, tabing malabing nais ng isigaw.
Set up, kapit ka. Good job. Round 2.
Lang baka naman, ipapalaya pang walang hanggan. Pagkatulad mo yung tipong
Start counting. Follow the beat in 1, 3, 4, 5. Ready? And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and step, step, and backward, and down, slice, and walk backward, and snake, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and boom, boom, ha, knees, quiet, and backward. Can we try it without teacher? Kaya? Try. Sige, sige nga, try na. O, sige. Let's do one round without Teacher Buboy. Okay? And then, let's have one last with me. Okay? And then we'll do our cool down. Okay? Ready to start? Okay. Listen. If you notice, listen carefully, if you notice, during the first part, wala tayong dance, di ba? Correct? So you can do your own dance while waiting for our dance kanina, okay? So for example, you like doing this, you can do that while waiting, okay? Ready? If you feel like grooving or dancing, you can do so. If you want, very simple. Pati yung hair niya, yes. If you want to do something very simple, head. I'm so cool. You're so cool. Alright. Okay, and 5. Ready. 5, 6, 7, and backward. And slice. Slide backward. Snake. 1, 2, 3, 4. And knees. 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 And hands. And step forward. And sit down. Maharani. Okay. Can I see more energy when you do this? Like, hey. Okay? Okay. Let's go with me. Stand up. Okay, start grooving in. Groove. Your own dance. Okay, we're almost here. Okay, and
Balot ang ginito ang seda. Ako'y nabibigyan ng iyong mga
everyone,
pasensya na
hands up. And next.
ang bawat na ako sa inyo na napakilig. Sana mabigyan ang pagkakataon ng higit. Panahon din sa sayang. Naglalaban na hindi ka naman kaya na paglaban. Para sa akin ka naglalaban. Makita ang makukuha ang puso ko'y magiging sa'yo lamang. Sa dami ng katanggalin, upang magiging nang sa ako'y magwagi. Ngunit kahit magkapi ang pagtingin, dito pa rin maglalaki.
More than a physical attraction, it's a passion, baby. How could I wish you? Would you ever doubt it? How about it, baby? If you're gonna love it, I need it anytime you come around it. I'm down, sitting in my question. I want you, and ain't nobody else is gonna do. So every single time I come
run, you can take what you want, baby, I'm there to help. Said if it's for you, oh, you, I had you to pay. Said everything new for you, I'm changing the face. Fresh,
Follow your heart, you say yes, you're calling. But whenever I'm already falling.
ooh, head over heels, ain't no way to stop it. It ain't ever a question. I want you, ain't nobody else gonna do. So every single time I come through, yeah, come through, yeah. I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you, I wanna fall on my knees, beg for your body on me. 'Cause I want you, you know how I like it.
Thank you so
I want